Do you have clothes you no longer wear or rags in the house that you want to trash? Watch this video before you go ahead and trash them. Instead of trashing them, you can convert it into something beautiful. And in this video, I will be showing you. I will be walking outside because we'll be making a little mess. So for this project, you need any bucket of your choice and then cement and water. You would dissolve your cement in the water and pour in the rags. You properly marry the cement and the rags and make sure that the rags get enough cement on it. Start placing the rags on the bucket and arrange it in such a way that it will take the shape of the bucket or any form you want it. I used nylon on the bucket before placing the clothes so that it will be easy to remove when it is fully dried. Now I did the dumbest thing ever by walking with cement without protecting my hands. Please don't be like me and don't go through what I went through after walking on cement without gloves. Stack the clothes on each other and make sure you apply extra cement on it and then leave it to dry. And this is the outcome. We just made a flower pot with a rag. Instead of trashing your rags or clothes you no longer wear, you can transform it into a flower pot. You can always let your creativity flow and come up with different ideas and different designs and make a unique flower pot or anything out of your rags. Let me know if you'll be trying this.